Mama Akwaba, wa frame Adjoa searching Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell on so for more news. Ebusuan for Afia Pokuwaa Vim lady. Journalist political analyst. Or 2024 about to ever you see this year 2024 from January ban what about the NDC for befa. Now even from March, April, May, June you can NDC for befa. June, July be na NDC for befa. Na Afia Pokuwaa say all can pee a sin pee pain at NDC for nobody na tell yesu abakra moye kwa. Oboso besa ragat kra moye kwa. Binyano Afia Pokuwaa chere say 2024 Akabaya 90 days ni akwakoto abe the NDC for moda 100.5 mu lead bi o lead na mu take no mo asam wati be 55 intino se mo wo modern bo bi amomo na se 2024 de wa wunim a wunim a wo be wi a wo be catch youthful so mo nkonkon wo Ghana hanom no hwe wo de wa no be hwe wo no Inti Afia Pokuwaa mutumi adi na tema na Yesu aba waka na kware no you are not leading anymore inti mu obibi papa monye mon kansem papa de wo ba mutumi aya kire Ghana funa munja platform amujina so na moto aya mpem mo kanse na enim no Vice President Dr. Bawumia report mo asheda akwa akotena ase na mo afremi asem na mo aka na afa de pepepe NDC fu mo stro nyame o mo ankasa mo ya we nyankasa NDC constituency organizer dey catch me say na say yenye me say o mampani e friend say Dr. Bawumia on report nemom na political talk mo timi akotena say aka asem say atuni pa is on report me wa mo news on report because mo akotena Malik akona na kupe say be pono mo say da akotena say committee nya be ka say Bawumia report say na be ya northern region from Ubefu and as Muslims no Ubefu Dr. Bawumia nso mo nim say nyampa Dr. Bawumia report to mo achinchin mo ho aso report mo pese Dr. Bawumia report I don't know how does that affect Ghana yen develop if Dr. Bawumia report how does that affect hospitals enough hospital beds enough pay for what the film Dr. Bawumia report how does that affect your friend say akwanya NDC for mo true akwanya na green book me nso no na exist how is that affected Dr. Bawumia report mo fento nche green book na mo ye na mo se mo ya Ghana akwanya na nso na do ba mo se akwanya na ye mo boni tri so mo be chere green book no akwanya be bia wo ene na hia corruption your friend say government official one mo me chere ni pakura ye no Bawumia report na no it doesn't affect us and fa bia on to table no so and this for then am wo Ghana Bawumia report no can that explain the 24-hour economy? Amos yebeko club anajo. Ewia Rexo ma crowd dey say ewia be crowd betimi akọ club. Bawumia no report how is this Edio. Hey. Yenti nse na Afia Pokuwaa ede etuya.
Mujiska campaign because the donors who come from across. So we are looking at who is going to the Jubilee House. Because Jubilee Jubilee, no, somebody will go to Jubilee House. And the question is whether Bear Bawumia and I say Bear Mahama. And I bear Chad and I say Bear Kofi Kwantin. And I bear Alan Chemantin. Alliance, any idea about Buamo. Miss Who will be on my Okuta 3%. I was on any start to call alliance. Alliance, I was so. So the question for this evening: who wins the presidency? Raise my tight. Raise me. I am more tight. First, no NDC LED. Say NDC is not leading. Matter, they are not tight. NDC is not leading again. Me say, oh, I till the kingdom come. Now I 100 years. It won't change the fact NDC is no longer leading the race. 3 months where it's a danger zone injury time. I say I'm a football there at that time. I can't one yet no one score within this time. I deploy all your missiles. This is the time you deploy all hands on deck. Mr. NDC focus on 2 regions. Accra, the more we need that. Ignore Accra. Monye kakra amudi be increase mu vote wakra because the more nya 70
and you kukuru Ghana the man 2013. And then there's about Omia Koka say obedi president ya. Na sabi ti bonko sofo journalist bit to say, why can't he do it now? How can he do it now? Monchemi Adia Bakwa John Dramani Mahama was able to do based on the powers of the constitution while he was a vice president. Nothing. Let us get serious in this country for once. We cannot do it business as usual. MPP, NDC, Sanse, Munula, and Adebi, it has to change. Our brains got to start developing. Say, no, we need to develop a nation and not a political party. The time has come for us to realize that when politicians come and they show us who they are, we should believe them. Today, John Dramani Mahama doesn't agree that Bawumia should make that saying that he is a spare driver or he is a mate and he wants to become a driver. He is asking Bawumia, why didn't you do these things now that you are a vice president? But you cannot ask Mahama, why didn't he build the e-blocks when he was a vice president, if it is that easy? In Ghana for you, but now near the politics. Media new she as rado afafranto or si join this Debbie. Yellow afafranto or si and I said join this in yellow na afafranto or si yellow cheddar baby akon or si po be kumasi any. Yet the Sankwa Siadi and Intinus a politician be crab a tassam and tasumwa. Instead of yen nipano, Yabema Yenia Daho, now you're critiquing your day bano. You take it like this type of approach, say. Me and this nini dear. Even though said the Abaumiaka and a tassum, still men coca say, ya papa. Now, wouldn't him say, NDC ni MPP chain, when yano, yen dachi, or mine dachi neke chiana, only knows that. And I'm unsa. Because Mentias a man has been vice president before. He couldn't do e-blocks because he was not the president. He could advise Atamils that Daddy Atamils, I want to do e-blocks. Can you put it into it? If Atamils fails to say e-blocks is viable, Atamils Mamana e-blocks. The same way Dr. Bawumia was able to suggest to cabinet say, ye ni ambulances into your best ye special development fund bia, ye bet to media just naba, and ye creating special initiative day ministry. And they share how a kumsin and sa equip no, and ye to media ambulances. Osimi papa wu ya because of a drone moja when yan on time unti yan fe bibibra ye friend drone na na kufu adokoda o okay drone yan pe beboa Ghana ye way enye bebia na car akọ enye bebia na motor na bicycle kura akọ bebi o we se enya sophisticated way ye de be tia ya resa ye de be chain drone ye de be ye adwuma ma Ghana saade a waka ma say mun kofa zip line for mra. So how do you tell me say Bawumia should do the things he's saying he will do in this book or the things he said he will do in his manifesto right now? What sense does it make? Me know about tap screen no so na share page ni mame. Makatra Ghana for say 2008. A reference yo ene bonu a ebetari bi no akoma homa MPP. No tie nsem fo mo ka fa president Kufuor de ye me ya ne say that time no su kono ma bi te say philosopher su kwa ache no na ya fa papa pani gentle giant Kufuor papa bi e di ni ti form and the Ghana for say ye wire free ni na Mahama mbedi ade da Ghana for say Mahama ba dokono 5 cedi na be ko 1 cedi and the Ghana for say Mahama ba ye be che na me you see, some of the things when I read it, I be me. Utuminya awo for bao or say, nebako free education, ni bi name